What's up guys, are you facing any issue with your Windows applications or game? It's not opening? Relax. Today I am going to provide you 100% working solution which will solve your Windows apps and games not opening issue. So just follow me. Very first on your PC, go to the search box and type services.msc and open this. Once services wizard is open, just scroll all the way down and check for Windows Update. Right now it's running. So simply right click and select stop. Windows Update services stopped now. Now open the File Explorer. Go to the C drive. In C drive, check for a Windows folder. In Windows folder, search for software distribution. Open that and select these two folders, data store and download. In data store, there is a couple of locks available for which is Windows Update locks, and in download folders, when Windows download any patches, so those patches will be available here, which normally automatically get flushed when installation is complete. But these are the problematic patches which is still available, which means these are causing issue or it may be corrupted. So we have to select these two folders and simply right click and delete. Guys, to perform this, make sure you are logged in from admin user. Once done, go to the start menu, power and restart the system. Hopefully your issue will be solved. After restart also, if you are facing the same issue with your apps or game, then go to the Windows, click on settings, search for apps. In apps, search for the application in which you are facing. So for an example, I am facing issue with Microsoft Photos. So select that and click on advanced option. In advanced options, you will get one tab to repair or reset. So I am going to reset this. So whenever you click on reset, it will automatically delete the cache of this particular application and it will get refreshed. So reset. Great, it's completed. Now you won't face any issue with your application and your issue will be resolved. And if you are facing the same kind of issue with any of the application which is separately installed and not comes with a Microsoft Windows, then at that time you won't get that particular option which is advanced to reset. So in this situation, you can simply uninstall and reinstall that particular application. Or what you can do, simply go to the programs and features by typing the shortcut command which is appwiz.cpl. Select your application and click on uninstall change. Yes. Next. Now here you will get the application to repair. So select that, click on next and update. Setup has successfully installed. So this is how you can repair or fix application issue if these are the separately installed apart from Windows setup. This is very simple. Guys, please perform these steps and let me know your feedback in the comment box below. Also, if you are facing any difficulties while performing these steps, then also you can let me know in the comment. I will definitely help you. Very important, if you are new on our channel, please click on the like button and don't forget to share and subscribe. Press on the bell notification so that you will never miss my future video notification. This is Sohan signing out. I'll catch you in the next amazing video. Till then, bye bye.